Now, what happens when increase in price of substitute goods takes place? In this case, we have been given the price of tea, that is one of the substitute goods, and at the same time we have been given the demand of the tea. Now, in this case the price is OP and initially the demand of tea is OQ, but price remains the same, but demand has gone up to OQ1, and this is shown with a separate demand curve D1 D1. But this increase has taken place may be on account of increase in price of coffee. In this case, we can presume that consumers of coffee have switched over to the tea. Then what happens in case of decrease in price of substitute goods? Again we have taken the example of tea. The price is OP and quantity demanded in this diagram is OQ1 and OQ. Previously the demand is OQ, but there is no change in price, but demand has gone down to OQ1 and we have separate demand curve, that is D1 and D1, or we can say that we have moved towards left, and this is very necessary to show the decrease in demand of the commodity. Now, this decline has taken place on account of decrease in the price of other substitutes. Therefore, the consumers of tea might have switched over to the coffee. Then what happens in case of increase in price of a complementary goods? Now, this can be understood with the help of this diagram. Again we have taken price of tea and demand of tea. The price of tea is OP and initially the demand is OQ. Now, demand has gone down to OQ1. Why this has taken place? Maybe on account of increase in price of sugar. In this case, because of increase in price of sugar, the consumption of tea has gone down, and in this way the demand of tea has gone down to OQ1 from OQ. Then what happens if there is an increase in price of complementary goods? Again we have taken the example of tea. The price is OP. Initially we have got the demand is OQ. Now, price remains the same, demand has gone up to OQ1 and we have got separate demand curve, that is D1 D1. Now, this increase might have taken place on account of decrease in price of sugar. In this case, there must be increase in consumption of tea, therefore, demand of tea has gone up to from OQ to OQ1.